As a project leader, when you're accessing the database, the first thing you like to do will be registering your beneficiary or community partners before you register any project. The information of the beneficiary and community partners need to be available before you can actually register your project. So, click into the beneficiary and community partner column here. So we are here in the beneficiary and community partner part. Okay, so this, you see there's a number 1 here. This is actually meaning this is the first record, first data of among all the beneficiary and community partner that are registered inside the database. And 8 here, meaning there are total 8 registered community partner or beneficiary in the system. This form is an example of my father's home. And you see here the contact person, meaning the contact person of the my father's home, not the IMU contact person. And you can actually fill in the details accordingly here. And here would be the created by whom, and lastly the modified by whom. Okay, so this is an example of my father's home. But you wouldn't want to touch this because it doesn't belong to your home or your community partner. So you would need to create a new record. You see the new record that I mentioned in the last video here. You want to create a new record, so you click new record. You will go to a brand new form. And do note that there's a change here in the navigation bar. After you click anything up here, the navigation bar will change to as such, and you are able to actually create a new record here. For example, I've created a Rumah Harapan, and then I've keyed in all the details of my home, and I would like to submit. I would like to save the data here. Then after you finish filling in all, you'll click submit here. However, this is just a demo video, so I wouldn't click submit. So I'll click a cancel, and the navigation bar will back to the new record, edit record here, and everything will be back in square. Say I want to search for, there are just 8 community partners currently, but however, the number of community partners might increase to 20, 30, 50, or even hundreds. So sometimes you would like to edit your record or change the details of your community partner. If there's like 100 of community partners inside the database, how are you going to actually search through? How are you going to actually search through all these things? You wouldn't want to search one by one, do you? So there's a find button here. Click the find. The navigation bar here will change to new request, perform find, and cancel find. It will change like that. So just now we saw my father's home. So say I'm searching for my father's home. And after I key in the data that needed, I'll click here. I'll click the perform find. I'll click the perform find, and do you see here 1/8 found? Meaning out of the 8, there's a 1 record with the beneficiary name of my father's home. And yes, you're done to search for the thing that you need. You're done searching, you want to return to be able to see all the other record, then you'll click here, show all. You just click show all, and it will back to the normal page that you was there. Do note that this database is very open. Even though they will leave, it will also leave track if you modify anything by here. So please be careful when you are inserting a new record and edit your record. so you won't mistakenly edit other people's record. So we are done with the registration and of beneficiary and community partner. Thank you for your attention. We'll have another part of video and teaching you how to register your project.